have enough capital but you want to start poultry farming as your business, this video is for you. You want to wake up one day selling many eggs, having many chicken, but you have little capital right now, this video is for you. You can solve a problem of earning monthly to a daily income. With poultry farming, you can make money with few birds on a small scale land. You can prepare your backyard to start poultry farming and make money from those few birds. You can make this part here below these ladders as your business. You can raise your 20 to 30 birds below here. For me, I'm going to make this as a sick bay. But for a beginner, this is a very good site for someone who wants to start. Don't wait for 500 birds. If you're having a dream of starting 500 birds, you're capable of making $20 in a day as profits every single day. But right now you don't have the money that can raise 500 birds. You can only start with 20, then start with those 20 and make money. Slowly by slowly you increase your capital and raise the 500 birds. So start now with the 20 birds and make money from them. It is very possible for you to collect 20 eggs every day from your birds. Give them the feeds, give them the leftover feeds from the market, local markets. You can get the leftover feeds from the market and give them to your chicken. Right now the feeds are expensive. You don't need to buy feeds. Your leftovers at home, the leftovers from the market, those rotten tomatoes, vegetables from the market, give them to your chicken. They will lay. Don't buy the medicine, don't buy the vitamins, but you have to buy the vaccines. Right now they are fighting for just fruits. So if you decide to use fruits as your vitamins, these rotten ones, look at them. You can see the papaya, banana peels. I've been using herbs for so many times and I found out that it is really good for the chicken and the human health. For me, when I lost my hair, I used herbs to grow back my baldness, my punches on the head. So I don't take it for granted. I treat my chicken with herbs. However much I buy some medicine from the vet pharmacist, but if you're having few birds, there is no need to buy chicken medicine. Try to vaccinate with the bought vaccines. Don't use herbs to vaccinate, but treat with herbs. Use the leftover fruits to act as vitamins. So you can make it. You can change your life in 2024 before it ends. You can start your business right now, right away. You can make it. For me, I always tell you that little money makes money, but without money you can start nothing. So you have to be with something in your pocket to start a business. Don't wait for so long. Try to start right away. After collecting your eggs, sell them on a weekly basis to your nearby trading center. You can make it. You can collect your eggs on a daily basis, then after 1 week you sell them off. When it comes to the off layer, don't look for the buyers. Wait until these festive seasons come, Easter, Christmas, the Ramadan, Eid days. At least wait for the people that will come at home and looking for the birds to eat. You can sell your birds like that instead of begging the buyers from the markets. Let me tell you this, if you deal with poultry farming, you can make money. You can make money even if you're having few birds. You can still make money. You can never get broke if you're dealing with a daily income business. Take it as a profitable business. Take it as your daily income. and start from right now. Why are you waiting for next year? Start today, right now. Get your 20 birds. They will eat few feeds. If you come across like fish, buy some kilograms of fish and even lime, then go to the market and collect the leftovers. Get the weeds, get the yam leaves, give them those vitamins. The fruits that you're not going to eat, those fruits that are rotting, those are vitamins for the chicken. Sweetie, you're going to make it. Believe in yourself, you can make it. If I can sell all these eggs that I had, believe that you can make it also. These are the only damages that I've remained with. So you can make it. You can make money from poultry farming. Believe and start right away. That is all for today. Let's meet. I love you.